everyone. Welcome to Chinta's RV Vegan Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some vegan oatmeal walnut carob cookies. There's no dairy, there's no eggs, and it's very basic, but they are delicious. So what we started out with this morning here in this bowl, hope you can see it, let me make sure you're lined up. Yeah. Okay, in this bowl we have exactly 2 cups of oats, and I have Quaker oats back here. I use Quaker oats, or you can also use Cascadian Farms granola. That works too. And then we're going to have 3/4 cup chopped walnuts, and we have 1 teaspoon of sea salt way down there. Okay, and we're going to add 2 cups of flour, and then we're going to add 1 cup of carob chips. We're going to stir this all up really well, trying to incorporate everything. And if you can't get it to stir really easy, go ahead and use your hands. Hey, today I remembered my gloves. So anyway, go ahead and stir this up really well. You want that salt to get around the walnuts, everything to get covered. Okay, that looks good. Now, in this dish right here, I have to be careful. I've started to really like this coconut oil. It's so pleasant a taste over the olive oil. And in here what I did is I put 1/2 cup of coconut oil. I put 3/4 cup of honey. I put 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And I put 1/2 cup of a grain beverage. I used almond milk. So what I'm going to do with that is stir it up really good, because of course the honey is sank to the bottom. And get this all incorporated best you can. This takes a little elbow grease, as does everything in the kitchen. The milk has beaded up in the oil. Just incorporate that as well as you can. And that's looking a little better. This is going to make a delicious batter. Okay, I think that I don't feel any more hard honey in the bottom, so I think that's probably good. Take that, put that there. Now we're going to put a little hole in the middle. You know the rules. Go ahead and pour this in. I'm going to use my other hand. I got a lot to learn. Okay. Best you can. Put that aside. And stir it in. This is a real basic recipe, and you're going to be baking it at 350 for about 16 minutes, and you want to watch it because everybody's oven is different. I mean, in one oven I used years ago when I used to make this a lot, it took 16 minutes, and you don't want it to burn. In my toaster oven here in the RV, takes about 17 to 18 minutes. So you just want them to get slightly brown. You don't want them to burn. Makes a delicious dough. Oh my. This dough is great just by itself. But I know we need to make cookies, so let's turn this over and in. Alright, now see how that looks. Isn't that beautiful? Yum. Okay, And I used the Watkins vanilla. You know I like the Watkins vanilla, so let me put that away while I'm thinking about it. And the coconut oil, you know I like that. Put that away while I'm thinking about it. And of course, good old-fashioned Quaker oats. And flour to your liking, if you like whole wheat or if you want white flour, it's up to you. So now, what we do, this is so simple. So I put parchment paper in the bottom of a pan, and we're just going to spoon us out a couple of balls at a time, the best we can. Now, since this has carob chips in it, when I fill up this pan and it's cooking, I'm going to put this mixture into the refrigerator so these don't melt. And like I said, just make yourself a nice little ball. This is a tablespoon. And I can only put so many in here at a time. I don't know if you can see that. My walnuts are flying away. However large you like it. And just go ahead and put them in here. Of course, keep them about an inch apart at least. That'll work pretty good. I'm not doing this very organized, am I? Okay, I'll put it back. And just keep working it. Make this pan will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And for my toaster oven, that's all I can make. So I put 7 of them. This is going to go in the refrigerator while I'm waiting. And then just tap it down just a little bit, because there's no baking soda in here or anything, so it's not like going to grow. This is all natural ingredients and delicious. And then I take these and I'm going to put them in the toaster oven at 350 for, like I said, 16 minutes. And I will show you what the end result looks like right now, because I made a batch yesterday, and so I will show you how they turned out. Let me put this in the refrigerator really fast so these don't melt away on me. Over. Got all kinds of stuff in here. Just bought some new cilantro too, because I want to make some more salsa. The problem is you got to use cilantro right away or it rots. Okay. Yay! Here's the finished product. They are delicious. And they are tasty. And they're crunchy. I guess you could heat them up in the microwave if you wanted to. But, man, they are good. I already had some for breakfast. And they're delicious. And they're so easy to make. There's no reason why anybody can just make these. Stirs together quickly. It's a really fast recipe. They're absolutely beautiful, and you're gonna love them. And that's how you make it. That's how you make the vegan carob chip walnut oatmeal cookies. These are addictive, by the way. Stay away from that batter. That's all we have today. So let me take off my gloves and say goodbye. If I can do this without messing up the camera. So as you know, I'm no good at this. Okay. There you go. Hi everybody, how are you? Alright, so remember, wherefore ye eat or drink or whatever you do, do to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 31. And thank you for joining me this morning, and I will be posting more next week. Take care now, and like, subscribe, and share to build my channel. Okay, take care now. Bye.